happy Saturday. Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up a new subscription box for our channel, and this is called the Side Chick box. Look at this box, so cute. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing, and I pulled up their website, so whenever we have a new box on our channel, I like to pull up their website and learn a little bit more about it since it's new to me and maybe new to you as well. But before we get started, I just want to take a quick moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I do subscription box unboxings every single day here on our channel. So if you love subscription boxes, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. And quick disclaimer, this is an adult themed box, so if you're not into that, feel free to click away. Like I said, I post videos every single day, so you can just join in on the next one. So what is the Side Chick box? This subscription comes with 6 or more beauty and adult products. It's shipped out every 2 months. I love bi-monthly subscriptions, so that's great. And it says the box includes lipstick, lingerie, couples, card games, headbands, edible body glitter, and edible underwear. It's $70 and it's every other month, so it's like $35 a month if you break it down that way, but you only get charged once every 2 months. And they offer a wide size range for the lingerie that comes in the box, so I think that is amazing. You can get it from extra small all the way to a 5X. I know the last adult box I opened was geared towards heterosexual couples, so I want to see if they say on what this is all about. Oh, and it looks like they offer different subscription plans too. So we're opening the regular Side Chick box. They also have a Side Chick mini and then a box called the One Night Stand. Of course, I'm going to link their website down below so you can browse and see what plan works best for you, or just check it out if you're curious. So it's a date night subscription box that brings a variety of themed adult beauty products and activities for you to enjoy with your mate. And yay, it says you can customize your sexual orientation before you place your order. So that is amazing. I'm super happy about that and grateful that they are inclusive. So I think that's enough information. Again, the website will be down below, but let's get this box open. I tried my best. I did not peek. Usually, like, not always, but sometimes with new boxes I kind of like open it up. I'm like, what's in here? But I didn't. So I opened it up. This is what it looks like. It says Kinky Cosmetics. Oh, that must be like the makeup they feature in here. And then it looks like the lingerie stuff must be on top. So let's get started. Ooh, is this like, or what is this? Oh, is this like, oh, it's like a onesie kind of, like a sexy sleeper thing. So it's like a V-neck and has like romper shorts and long sleeves. This is cute. So there's like buttons in the front, so you can like button all the way up if you want, and then just like open. What is this, like a moon or what? I'm not sure exactly what the design is, but I love the colors. And yeah, it's shorts. I want to try this on. It seems really comfy. So great. Let's see, is there a card or anything in here? I don't see one unless it's on the bottom. Oh yeah, I do see one on the bottom, I think. Yep, so the Side Chick box, what's inside? And the theme for this box is Pampered Princess box. So it says, what's inside? Skincare tips by Heron Park. And 6 amazing items to help you enjoy yourself, and enjoy yourselves in parentheses. And then this is what the inside looks like, and that was the front that I was reading from. So I love that they have skincare tips. You guys know I love skincare. My last video was actually a skincare subscription box. So okay, these are the sexy, cheeky pajamas. We can't help but to include some cute design pajamas to complete this theme. Tacos, martinis, weed and pizza, and cookies. Oh, is that what that is? It's cookies on there. How did my fat ass not realize that there's cookies? I love that. Like, I'm shocked I didn't realize them. Oh, so you could have gotten other things. So these are the cookie pajamas, but you could have either had this, or there was the variations of pizza, weed, martinis, or tacos on it. I would have loved any of those, but nice. Let's move on to the next item. We have something right here. It looks like it's written in a different language. So let me find it on here. And oh, so I think, judging by the description here, this is a sleek pinpoint clitoris vibrator. Self-pleasure has never been easier with this. My vision's so bad. Self-pleasure has never been easier with this 10-mode pinpoint clitoris vibrator with 3 interchangeable heads. USB charging and waterproof. Hold the front button to turn on and off and press the button to shift through the different vibration settings. Let's get this out of the box. So there is the USB charging cable, and then this is what it looks like. So there's 3 different heads to put on it too. That's interesting. So I'll have to charge this and give it a shot. So you could just use it alone like this, or you can like, oh, these are soft and bendy, you can like put this over it. Nice, I love that. It's like pink and gold too, so it's cute. Awesome. I love getting toys, especially vibrating ones. Yeah, by the way, I like followed a hair tutorial today. If you guys watched my last video, I said I was like gonna do my nails and style my hair. I did do my nails, and I tried to style my hair. I like followed a Brad Mondo like air drying tutorial, and he's like, people say they have straight like hair, like thin straight hair or fine straight hair, whatever the hell he said. He's like, but most people have a natural wave, and I followed it and I tried to make my hair wavy, but it wasn't, so I just pulled it up because it looked pretty bad. But anyways, back to the box. This is the Side Chick Box Lust Dust Bath Dust, and this is in pineapple. Look, it's like purple and pink. And it says directions for use: slowly sprinkle powder into warm running bath water until desired quantity of bubbles are achieved. Agitate the water with hand for maximum effect. Fun. And it smells like pineapple. And then we have what they call a fashion sleep eye mask. Oh my god, cool. So this is what the eye mask looks like, and look, it looks like you can like connect it to your music or something like that, and it's Velcro closure, so it could fit everyone. Oh, and it feels super nice. There is this little thing here, so let's see, what does it say? So it comes with a USB charger. Oh, so you can hook this up to Bluetooth, so it's a Bluetooth sleep eye mask. That's so cool, so you can like relax and listen to your music through here? I'm so intrigued by this. Have you guys tried anything like this before? Super cool. I love how pampering this box is. Next up, we have a Skin Test Nano Sprayer. Test and replenish skin moisture anytime, anywhere. So this is like a facial mister. Yeah, large mist sprayer, high volume mist, lets moisturizing be full of fun. New microporous atomizing plate. This product adopts a new microporous atomizing plate. The diameter of the micropore and the number of micropores are increased to keep the spraying stable and the spray effect. Oh. Ooh, and I got it in pink. I'm such a girly girl. Again, another charger. I love how everything's USB and you don't need batteries. Oh, interesting. So this is what it looks like. So you must fill this up with water, and then I'm not sure what this is. Maybe you can like pick how intense you want the mist to be. So I should have opened this box earlier so I could have charged things and showed them to you how they work. Well, not show you how everything actually works, but like turn it on. Oh gosh. So nano facial steamer charging port, skin moisture testing, moisturize your skin, suitable for all skin types. Please refer to directions for use. And then we have a bracelet here and these little balls. So I have a feeling that we can put essential oils on these little balls and put it in here. I've gotten a necklace like this before, but not a bracelet. So this is the aromatherapy bracelet. And it says, use a dropper or Q-tip to apply your favorite essential oil to one of the supplied puff balls. Place the ball into the chamber of the charm and then close. Use consumption-safe essential oil. Awesome, so you can smell good. You could wear these balls. I think they for a few days at least, this smell works. I had the same type of balls and they retain the fragrance. Oh, so this piece of paper here says Pampered Princess Box. Our Pampered Princess Box brings you a date night with the person who matters the most, you. Pampering products fit for a princess. So I think I told them I'm a single female and that's why I got this box. So like you said, when you sign up, you tell them like your orientation and stuff like that. And oh, it tells you everything that comes in here along with the price. So we still have one more item that was outside of the box, but the Self-Love Clitoris Vibrator is $29.99. The Lust Dust Bath Dust is $9.99. And then let's talk about this next item. The Silk Booty Butter is 40 ounces and that's $8. And it came in this bag and it came with like a little ice pack because can melt during transit, especially where I live, and I just kept it in here. They told me I should put it in the fridge. I didn't listen. And it's just fine. So the Side Chick Silky Booty Body Butter. Directions for use: for best results, apply product liberally to dry skin directly after washing. So it's all these different colors you can see, so it's super fun. And this is what it looks like, so it came just fine. Ooh, it smells like fruity. It's thick. Let's put some. I'm not gonna put it on my booty for camera, but I'll put some on my hand. Yeah, ooh, that feels really nice. It smells good too. Love that. I have that card gum. The face and body steamer is $40. Wow. The Aroma Charm bracelet's $29.99. The sexy sleepwear is $40. Wait, am I saying these all right? The aromatherapy bracelet's $29.99. The face and body steamer is $40. The sexy sleeper is $45. And the wireless Bluetooth sleeping eye mask is $28.99. Wow, so we got a really high value. So again, this is $70. And then it says body steamer tip. Add 90% milk and 10% water for an extra sexy experience. You can also add your favorite toner. Oh, so you can do that into this steamer. Interesting. So let me add up the total. And then we can wrap it up and talk about my favorites. And of course, I would love to know your favorites down below. So the total for my box, the Pampered Princess box, is $191.96. I think this was a great box. I love how it includes like a bunch of different stuff. So you get like sexy like sleepwear or like lingerie. So we got the sexy sleepwear, and I think this is so cute and it seems so comfy, and they sent it to me in my correct size, so I can't wait to wear it. And then we got, you know, a toy, and this toy seems awesome. I can't wait to charge it and try it out. And we got some stuff for like self-care, like the body lotion, the facial steamer, like the mister, the aromatherapy bracelet, the body butter, did I say that already? And then the eye mask that has a Bluetooth in it. I think that's super cool. So we get a lot of different stuff. So it's not just all about like, you know, sexy time. It's also about like self-care too, and I love that. So I think this was a great box. I'm so grateful it was sent to me. Thank you so much, Side Chick. So yeah, if you guys are interested, definitely check them out below. I think this was great. I had so much fun opening it. Again, I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section. I love talking to you guys. I hope you guys are having an amazing weekend. Thank you so much for opening this box with me. I hope you're staying safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.